What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it's 4th of July. We're doing fireworks. Our friends are over, so we mixed fireworks, but these are all ours right here. Plus the ones we're about to light off. Most of them are ours. Pretty much all of them are, actually.
Sorry.
Come on, Flex.
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh yeah, that was cute.
Are you ready to light it? Okay. Let's go and do this. Let's see this. This isn't good. What? Okay. Yep. Oh, jeez. Ha, that went high. Look at it falling down. Oh, there.
Guess which one this is?
What'd you say?
The one Joe set off. It's the Donald Trump firework.
Yep, this is theirs right here.
Oh, is that
That
it?
last one was ours. This one is theirs.
What'd you say?
Oh, not you.
You ASM?
We were going to.
Do you want to?
Hey, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Whoa. That second one was ours. The second one that went up after that first one we just shot.
Dad,
The Trump one was the first one. Oh, look.
Yo.
Huh?
Yo, girl.
What?
1 second. I'm looking for this thing. Look at this thing over here. Oh, wait, never mind.
What happened?
Something came flying down.
Yo.
Go. You ain't ready.
Yeah.
What was it?
You don't want that smoke. Oh, you just threw a smoke bomb at me. Ow.
Did that fly over here?
Come on.
Here we go.
I am not heavy. I am so light.
Damn.
feel heavy.
What?
You want to go over with him?
I'm not going with them. I'm getting a video. Oh, that one was ours right there. That one was ours. Oh, look. Oh, both of these are my dad's. The one he bought. The Donald Trump one is the only one that has theirs, I think. Oh, that's coming down right here. Don't touch that, Bella. Oh, here. Oh, that was cool. Yeah, that was cool. That was cool, guys.
two. Sam needs one too. Straight in the corner. Come on.
Oh, you should have seen that lightning, guys. Sorry if they take so long to light each one. It's pretty hard to do this. We were supposed to use like all mine instead of theirs, but they wanted to bring some over. Comment down below whose were better, the Trump ones or all of ours. Which, oh, you're gonna like the ones and some of the other videos I do tonight. Oh, jeez. Oh, that! Do you guys see that lightning? That was a monster. Here, I'll keep it off my face so if there's lightning, you guys can see it. Oh, that was nice. She plays baseball too. She's better at baseball than gymnastics. That's how good at baseball she is, and she can do that. My sister almost made the All-Star team, but she couldn't because coronavirus. She did get a game on her 2 games. If you see that video, I'm gonna upload it tonight. I show details on her game ball. So sorry if they take so long breaks. I don't really know how to edit, so you guys can skip in the video. I'm sorry. Again, comment down below in this video and then of the other videos I do, which ones were better. Some videos we're not going to do theirs because they're kind of mixed up, but I still remember which ones. So I'm going to keep it over here. Well, ooh, look at that fire we made. Oh, since I was talking about me and my sister, we play baseball, comment down below what your favorite sport is. Mine is obviously baseball. My sister's is obviously baseball. I like football too. I used to do football. Okay, I'm gonna ask him if we can do some more. Sorry guys if it takes so long.
They said we can jump. She called him in because of lightning. She was like, in the metal rods in the
Yeah, I don't know if you guys got to ask Sam. That's his neighbor, not mine. I don't live here.
What's that?
Dad,
They want to jump on the trampoline. The kids were like,
Did she
yeah,
say you could?
yeah.
Well,
the
they
kids
did, 'cause-
but not bad. The kids said no. Right.
Dad,
That's what I'm saying. The kids said
are we gonna light them? Because I'm doing a video.
Come on. All right, y'all back up. Go, Bella.
Here guys, let's watch this. This is gonna be good. Oh, you hear that guys? Let me know if this is a better view. I think it is than the other one I had. Oh. Oh. It's nice. Also comment down below what your favorite brand of fireworks is. And then also comment down below what your favorite type of firework. Yep. Watch this. Here we go. Here they're about to light it. Oh. Let's zoom in on. Oh, you guys should have saw that lightning. I don't know if you saw it. Here we go.
Here it goes, Sam.
Jeez. Oh. I think think that one's ours. What? Oh, it was? So they did theirs at the end, but the first ones were ours, I think. Yeah, ours. It says those are the only ones they brought. You're gonna like the ones we saved for the other videos, the end. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Bye.